The Chicago metropolitan region is one of the most complicated in the country for nature. With hundreds of political jurisdictions without comprehensive leadership, land, waterways, and wildlife often lose out to roads, development, and industry. Since 1963, Openlands has been a regional leader protecting land, water, and wildlife, and ensuring nature is close to every resident. Convening diverse partners, communities, and residents to seize opportunities, from helping to establish the first national tallgrass prairie in the nation, to creating an international model for green schoolyards. Openlands works across multiple government agencies to solve deep-rooted land and policy issues, from publishing the first comprehensive regional greenways plan in the nation, to defeating disastrous road and land use proposals like the Ileana Tollway. In the face of the climate crisis, we have a rare and pivotal opportunity to transform our diverse communities, cities, and region for the better. We must accelerate the pace and scale of conservation for a healthier future. The time is now. Join us.